Ever feel like your finances are scattered across a million different places? Bank accounts here, credit cards there, and that random investment account you barely remember setting up? Yeah, us too. That's where budgeting apps like Rocket Money come in. They help consolidate everything, giving you a clear picture of your financial landscape. But what if you've already connected a few accounts and realized there's a crucial piece missing? Maybe it's your new side hustle savings account, that student loan you finally refinanced, or even your partner's checking account for a joint budgeting effort. Fear not, fellow financial warriors. Adding another account to Rocket Money is a breeze. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on both the Rocket Money app and website so you can corral all your financial beasts into one powerful budgeting arena. Now, before we dive in, a quick heads up, Rocket Money uses a secure connection process to access your financial data. This means they don't actually store your login credentials, they just use them to grab your transaction history. So, rest assured, your sensitive information stays safe and sound with your bank. Alright, with that security assurance out of the way, let's get to adding that missing account. Adding an account through the Rocket Money app. Gear up, open the Rocket Money app and tap the gear icon in the top left corner. This is your gateway to all account settings. Linked accounts await. In the settings menu, find the option labeled linked accounts or something similar. This is where the magic happens. Welcome the newcomer. Once you're in the linked accounts section, tap the option to link a new institution or add account. Search party, a search bar should appear. Here, type in the name of your bank or financial institution. Rocket Money supports a wide range of institutions, so chances are you'll find yours quickly. Credential corner. Once you select your bank, it's time to enter your login credentials, the same username and password you use to access your online banking. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses a secure connection, so your information is safe. Permission granted. You might see a screen from your bank asking you to authorize Rocket Money to access your data. Just follow the prompts and grant permission. Voila! That's it. Rocket Money will now attempt to connect to your account and download your transaction history. Depending on your bank, this might take a few minutes. Adding an account through the Rocket Money website. The process on the website is very similar, with just a few slight variations. Log in and explore. Head over to the Rocket Money website and log into your account. Settings savvy. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section. This might be located under your profile picture or account menu. Linked account love. Find the option for linked accounts or something similar. Institution identification. Just like on the app, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your bank's name. Credential Canyon. Enter your login credentials for your chosen financial institution. Permission Playground. Similar to the app, you might encounter a permission screen from your bank. Grant Rocket Money access to your data. Website Whirlwind. The website will then connect to your account and retrieve your transaction history. Again, this might take a few moments. Congratulations! You've successfully added another account to your Rocket Money ecosystem. Now you have a more complete picture of your finances, allowing you to budget more effectively and make smarter financial decisions. Bonus tip: if you ever encounter any issues linking your account, Rocket Money has a fantastic help center with troubleshooting guides and support options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.